Oh my god. Wait a second. Is that a... It's a tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado
Got
warning
it!
for
Finally!
Central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, north central Brazoria
Tornado
County
warning.
in southeastern Texas until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Iowa Colony or near Fresno, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated.
My god, I finally got a tornado warning.
Impact.
Ryan?
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught
That's
without
perfect, I
shelter.
got it.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof,
Yeah.
windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Oh no.
This dangerous storm will be near Manville around 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Jola. Take cover
Jola?
now. Move to
Oh, it's
a
not in
basement or
Rosenberg?
an interior
Oh.
room on the lowest
It's
floor
not even
of a
in
sturdy
Rosenberg
building.
right now.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,
Yeah.
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter
You're gonna have to
and
take
protect
shelter,
yourself
whoever's
from
in that
flying
town.
debris.